Hi everyone, welcome back to Rising Farmers. Today is a special day because you're unveiling the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I bought this phone from Telefonica and also received these items for free, and I mean for free. This isn't just a new phone, it is an investment in creating even better farming videos, clearer photos, and higher quality content for all of you. So let's open it together. Wow! Right on top, here is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The design looks incredibly premium and feels solid in the hand. Take a look at this beautiful finish. Samsung has done an amazing job with the design. It feels sleek, lightweight, and ready for serious work. Inside the box, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a USB-C charging cable, SIM ejector tool, and a quick start guide. As expected, there is no charging adapter included. Let's power it on. That display is absolutely stunning. The screen is bright, smooth, and vibrant. I can't wait to test the camera on farms, livestock, crops, and beautiful countryside landscapes. This phone will help us bring you sharper videos, better drone-style shots, clearer audio, and more detailed farming tutorials. If you are excited to see what this phone can do, hit the like button. Subscribe to Rising Farmers and let us know in the comments what you like me to test first: the camera, battery, video quality, or AI features. Expect more exciting content from cattle farms, poultry farms, livestock production, vegetable production, and agricultural businesses. Thank you for watching, and remember, agriculture is the future. See you in the next video.